The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is easily one of the most anticipated smartwatches of 2025, and for good reason. Ever since Apple launched the first Ultra model in 2022, it became clear that this wasn't just another Apple Watch. It was Apple's answer to Garmin, Suunto, Polar, and even high-end adventure watches used by professional athletes, divers, and outdoor explorers. The Ultra series is Apple's most durable, most premium, and most powerful smartwatch line yet. Now, with the Apple Watch Ultra 3 set to arrive later this year, leaks and rumors are painting an exciting picture of what's coming. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We'll dive deep into everything we know so far. The release date, pricing, design changes, new health tracking sensors, performance upgrades, and whether it's truly worth waiting for over the Ultra 2. This script will explore the Apple Watch Ultra 3 in detail, breaking down confirmed news, trusted leaks, expert analysis, and expectations for how this smartwatch could reshape Apple's wearable lineup. Before diving into the Apple Watch Ultra 3, it's worth looking back at how the Ultra series began. The first Apple Watch Ultra launched in September 2022 alongside the Apple Watch Series 8 and AirPods Pro 2. It shocked the market with its 49mm titanium case, massive battery life, up to 60 hours with low power mode, dual-frequency GPS, 100 water resistance, and rugged LTD durability rating. In 2023, Apple refined this with the Ultra 2, which introduced the S9 SIP chip, better performance, brighter 3000 nit display, improved Siri on-device processing, and the much-talked-about double-tap gesture. It wasn't a massive redesign, but it was an important refinement. Now, the Apple Watch Ultra 3, 2025, has the potential to be a much bigger leap forward. With new sensors, display technology, and Apple's M-series-inspired S10 chip likely coming, it could be the most powerful and future-ready smartwatch yet. One of the biggest questions Apple fans are asking is, when will the Apple Watch Ultra 3 be released? Apple's smartwatch launch cycle is usually very predictable. The Ultra 1 came in September 2022, the Ultra 2 followed in September 2023, but in 2024, Apple skipped an Ultra update and instead focused on the Apple Watch X and Series 10 lineup. This means the Ultra 3 is expected in fall 2025, most likely in September 2025, launching alongside the iPhone 17 series. Industry analysts, including Ming-Chi Kuo and Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, have hinted that Apple intentionally skipped 2024 to give Ultra 3 bigger hardware and sensor upgrades, making it a truly generational leap rather than a minor refresh. So, while nothing is 100% confirmed yet, history strongly suggests Apple Watch Ultra 3 release date, mid-September 2025. Pre-orders start immediately after Apple's keynote event. Shipping and in-store availability, late September 2025. Expected price. Will Apple increase it? Another major question is pricing. The original Apple Watch Ultra launched at $799. The Ultra 2 kept the same $799 price point despite upgrades. Will the Ultra 3 also remain at $799, or could Apple increase the price given the rumored new tech? If Apple introduces new display tech like micro-LED or new health sensors such as non-invasive blood glucose monitoring,